Welcome friends. In this video we shall learn very important topic, ordered pairs, and this topic is of theory of relations, and we can define an ordered pair like this. An ordered pair consists of two objects or elements in a given fixed order. This is very important. For example, if A and B are two sets, suppose A and B are two sets, then by an ordered pair of elements we understand a pair A and B in that order where small a belongs to set A and this B belongs to set B. This means first element of this pair belongs to first set and second element of this pair belongs to set B. Here it is very important to understand that this ordered pair is not a set consisting of two elements, because we write a set in a curly bracket. Suppose A is the set of elements 1, 2, 3. This is a set because we always write a set by using these curly brackets. So this is not a set. This is an ordered pair but not a set. The ordering of two elements in an ordered pair is important, and two elements need not to be distinct. They may be same. It is not important that they are distinct or not. So they can be distinct or not. Let me give you some examples. Suppose this is an ordered pair of 1 and 3, and suppose 3 and 4, this is also a pair, and suppose we have a 4 and 5, this is also an ordered pair. So this is how we can understand an ordered pair. Let me write another topic in this video. This is equality of two ordered pairs. Suppose we have two ordered pair A1 B1 and we have another ordered pair A2 and B2. These two ordered pair will be equal if and only if A1 is equal to A2 and B1 is equal to B2. This is the condition of equality of two ordered pairs. Let me give you some examples. The example is as follows. Find the value of x and y if 3x plus 2, and here is 3, is equal to 2 and 3y minus 9. If these two ordered pair are equal, then find the value of x and y. Because we can solve this example like it is given that these two ordered pair are equal, then first element of this ordered pair will be equal to the first element of this ordered pair. Then 3x plus 2 will be equals to 2 and this 3y minus 9 will be equals to 3. Finally we can write it 3x will be equals to 2 minus 2, then 3x will be equals to 0. Finally x will be equals to 0. So this is the value of x in the question, and here 3y will be equals to 3 plus 9 and it will be 12. 3y will be equals to 12, then y is equals to 4. So this is the value of y in the question. This is how we can understand equality of two ordered pairs. Thank you.